Differentiation is a mathematical method used to find the rate of change or slope of a function at any point. In simpler terms, it tells us the rate of change. It shows how a value is increasing or decreasing at a specific point. The result of differentiation is called a derivative. Differentiation measures how fast something changes. On a graph, differentiation gives the slope of the tangent to the curve at a point. The slope tells us whether the curve is increasing or decreasing.
6 common technique of differentiation. 1. Power rule. Used to differentiate function in the form of power of x. The power is reduced by 1. 2. Constant rule. The derivative of a constant is 0 because it does not change. 3. Sum and difference rule. Each term is an expression is differentiated separately. 4. Product rule. Used when two functions are multiplied together. Both functions affect the rate of change. 5. Quotient rule. Used when one function is divided by another. The change depend on both numerator and denominator. 6. Chain rule. Used for composite function. Differentiation is done from the outer function to the inner function. This is the question. Y equal 4x cubed secant 7 minus 3x. We use product rule for this question. This is the formula of product rules. First thing first, we find u equal 4x cubed and differentiate u to get u prime equal 12x power of 2. And then we find v equals secant 7 minus 3x. And then we differentiate v to find v prime equal negative 3 secant 7 minus 3x tangent 7 minus 3x. We put all this to the formula and we get dy dx. And then we can simplify this all and get this, and then we factorize all this and get the final answer. Thank you.
Okay, this is the question. Find dy dx for this function. Y equal to exponent power of 2x plus 2x over cos 4x minus 3. First, we use the question rule and this is the formula. Okay, first this is for u and this is for v. So the u is exponent power of 2x plus 2x. Differentiate, we get the u prime 2 exponent power of 2x plus 2. So then we use this as the v. Then we've got the v prime minus 4 sine 4x. Then we put this into the formula and then we'll get the dy dx. And we'll got this for the final answer. Okay, thank you.
To solve this question, we must use implicit differentiation. Put d dx in front of each function and then differentiate each of them. For this equation, for this function, we can use product rule. After we differentiate them, don't forget to put dy dx for the function that have y in them, like this and this. Okay. Next, we bring all the function with dy dx to the left and we left others at the right. And then we factorize the dy dx like this and we bring the function to the right like this and we will get the final answer. For question 4, we use linear approximation to solve the question. First, we state the x that are given in the question, x naught and delta x. And then we insert the x naught
in the function that are given in the question to estimate the answer. And then we differentiate the function and we get f prime x. And then we insert the x naught in the function again to estimate the value. And then after that, we use this formula to find fx. After that, we will get the final answer.